Hello, my name is Mark Brady, and today I'm going to demo an iOS app from Durbanware called Flutter. Flutter is a dashboard for Flurry Analytics. In case you're not familiar, Flurry is a service that anonymously logs usage statistics in mobile applications. It can provide valuable information for discovering how an application is being used, and in turn how it may be improved. In particular, Flutter focuses on totals and graphs pertaining to active users, new users, and sessions. Custom events are also supported. Let's start out by assuming that you have Flurry Analytics embedded into one or more of your mobile applications. You've downloaded Flutter and would like to monitor your Flurry Analytics data while on the go. When you first open Flutter, if you haven't added a company, you'll be presented with the Managed Companies screen. If you don't know the API access code that corresponds with your company's Flurry account, simply tap the API access code button and then tap the Get Code button on the following pop-up. This will take you to the Flurry website. After logging in, scroll to the bottom of the page. If it's your first time retrieving the API access code, you may need to click a button that reads Enable API Access. Your API access code will then appear on the page. Copy it and return to the Flutter app. Cancel any modal dialogues, and then tap the Add Company button. Paste the API access code you just copied from the website and tap Add. If everything went well, you should see now your company listed in the Managed Companies screen. In our case, we have a sample company called My Company. Tap the Done button on the top right corner of the screen. This will reveal a sidebar that groups your mobile apps under each company you have added to the Managed Companies screen. In our case, we have Flurry Analytics embedded into 3 of our iPhone apps, 1 Android app, and 1 Windows Phone app. Let's say you wanted to check in on App 4's usage. Tap App 4 in the sidebar. You'll be greeted with a totals screen showing active users, new users, and sessions. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, simply tap on the labels to get a detailed explanation. There are 6 common date ranges at the bottom of the screen: today, yesterday, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, and 1 year. Tap to show analytics for a particular date range. It may be helpful to visualize this data in the form of a line graph. Swipe left up to 3 times to see various graphs for each of the totals on the first page and how they've changed across the selected date range. In this graph, we're looking at how sessions have varied over the past 6 months for App 4. The Flurry Analytics service also lets you record custom events that are significant to your app. In our sample, App 4, we've added a custom event to log whenever someone chooses to rate our app in the App Store. To view events, simply swipe all the way to the right and tap the Events button. The count for each event is displayed above the event description. In our case, it looks like 48 people have exited our app with the intent to rate it in the App Store. In this case, the 6-month date range that was used because that was the selected date range prior to tapping the Events button. Hopefully this introduction has been helpful. Please download Flutter Dashboard for Flurry Analytics in the App Store. It's available for iPhone and iPad. Consider rating the app in the App Store if you've liked it. We'd love to hear your feedback.